welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as the thumbnail suggests, I will be talking about a dummy NFT collection that I created just for fun, just to understand how the whole process of creating NFTs works, right from the design process. Well, I'm not a designer, so I basically just designed these on Canva, to actually moving up to the entire minting process, creating a smart contract on Solidity, and how you too can actually create something of your own. But in today's video, as the video title suggests, I will be showing the process on how you can set up your wallet and how you can claim NFTs. So I'll be creating a LinkedIn post for this, where I'll be talking about this dummy NFT collection, which is right now deployed on the testnet, which means it is not actually live on the mainnet, and it does not even have any value per se. But the idea is to help you folks understand how this whole system works, on how you can set up your wallet, how you can claim NFTs, and what is this whole process about. So I'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of setting up your own wallet and sharing your wallet address with me, so that I can airdrop these dummy or fake NFTs to your account. So before there are people who pointed out that this is not a real NFT collection, I want to make it even more clear that this is not a real NFT collection. This does not have any real value, but the idea is that you can set up your own wallet, and there are a lot of NFT projects happening around the world, and all you need to do is that they offer a lot of free airdrops. Meaning that they will send you the NFT for free, just to promote their project. So you can keep an eye out for all these projects, and you can claim these free NFTs if you have an idea about how to set up your wallet and how to look for the NFTs in OpenSea or Rarible or any other site. Alright, so now that we have that out of the picture, let's get started. Alright, so let's get started with the process. The first thing that you need to do is to install the Metamask browser extension, which is basically a crypto wallet. So there are many other crypto wallets that you can use, but we'll be using MetaMask because it is very popular and widely used, and also it is really safe to use. So I'll just click on the download now option, and this will be redirecting me to the extension. So here I'm using Firefox, so it'll just ask me to install MetaMask for Firefox, and it will take me to the add-ons page. And here you can just select add to Firefox, and this will install MetaMask. So once you're through with that, you will see a page like this, which talks about whether you want to set up a new wallet or whether you want to set up an existing wallet. So here, since we are new, we can just select yes, let's get set up, and we'll create a wallet. So next steps for this would just entail you creating a new wallet. It will give you a seed phrase, which is like a secret phrase that you have to keep if you wish to restore your account sometime later in the future. Then this is the seed phrase that you will be requiring, which is why it is very important to keep this phrase confidential from anyone, because if they have access to this phrase, that means they have access to your MetaMask wallet, and they can move crypto as they like to. So the next step I want you to do is to just add this network to your MetaMask extension. So bear with me if this does not make sense at this moment. So basically the solution, the NFT collection that I've deployed is on a Polygon test network. So there are many other networks that I could have deployed it on. So it could have been some Ethereum test based network, or if you actually want it to be a real NFT collection, then you could have deployed it on the Polygon mainnet or the Ethereum mainnet. If you wish to launch something of your own, then I would definitely suggest you to go for Polygon, because the gas fees for Ethereum is really high. So Polygon is very cheap, and it can help you to get started with your own NFT project. So as you can see in the networks here, I have this already added here as Polygon Testnet Mumbai, but just to show you how you have to go about it, this details that you see here are these are the details that you would be needing to add the network. So I'll just click on add network and it'll move me to this page. So the network name would be Mumbai Testnet. The RPC URL I can just copy from the previous screen. The chain ID will be 800001 and currency symbol will be Matic. This is optional, but I'll just go ahead and add it still. And there you go. So as you can see here, it says that this chain ID is already currently used because I already have the network added, but I was just showing you as a demonstration of how you can go and you can just save it. So once you have set this up, I'll just go ahead and change this to Polygon. Right. So this is now looking good. So what is required right now for me to send you the dummy NFT is this address. So this is basically your account address. So you can just copy this and send it to me. So you can either comment it down here on YouTube, or you can share it on my LinkedIn post that I'll be making. And once you send this to me, and do not worry, this is not your private key or anything. This is a public address that will be used for making any sort of transaction. So if anyone wishes to send you crypto or NFTs, then what they will be requiring is an address that they will need to send it to you. So you can just send it to them. And the same goes for if you would require to send something to someone else, then you would be requiring their address as well. So this is basically how the whole process works. Alright, so what happens next? So once I have sent you the NFT, so how can you view if you have received the NFT or not? So you just need to move to testnets.OpenSea.io. So OpenSea is basically right now the largest NFT marketplace, and we have this testnets added here because, as I mentioned, this is a dummy NFT collection, so you cannot view it on the actual OpenSea website. So we are viewing it on testnets.OpenSea.io. So I'll just go ahead and I'll connect my wallet here. As you can see, the option to collect here, and done. My wallet is now connected, and I'll just go over to my profile page right over here. And once you move here, you can check out the NFTs that you have. So these are the NFTs that I created and I minted it to my account. But once I send it to you, you can actually find it over here. It might take some time for it to reflect on testnets.OpenSea.io. So in case you have sent me the address but it's not showing anything over here, do not worry, just wait for a couple of hours and it should be good. Another thing that you also should look out for is sometimes it is not under this collected tab, sometimes it might be under this hidden tab. So do check out if it is under the hidden tab. Alright, that's all for this video. So in case you want me to airdrop you these dummy NFTs just to check out and just walk through the whole process and then check it on your testnets.OpenSea account, then do check out my LinkedIn post. I'll put it in the description. I'm putting it here as well. And just put down your wallet address. I'll send it to you, and maybe you can even make a post about how you learned the whole process. And not exactly sorry, I don't really have a really beautiful NFT to offer you, but just something to get started. Hope this will be an amazing start for you into the NFT space, and see you again. Bye bye.